Have a look. Yes, she is. She's a saucy girl. Was it a proper smile? Was it a proper smile? Oh dear. Oh dear. What is it? Where's Mummy? Where's Mummy? Mummy? Can you see your Mummy? Oh, can you hear Millie? Can you hear Millie over there? Yeah. You have to out-talk her. Yes, you will. You have to out-talk her. You're a clever girl, aren't you? Yes, you're a clever girl. Look at you. She likes the voices, doesn't she?
Yeah.
She's clever.
Come on, we'll do it together. Ready?
What are you doing?
Uncle Lily, look. Get ready to roll. No.
What's that? Who's there?
Nana.
Who's there? Who's there?
You just said it.
Are you listening to them? Are you? Are you listening to them? Oh, look at you, big eyes.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Can you hear them? Can you hear all that noise?